Mike Nekta here, and what we're going to discuss in this video is the 4C's. That's something you may have heard of, but the 4C's are something very important. If you're picking out a diamond or a diamond engagement ring, you'll get to understand the differences and why you're paying more for one over the other. I might show you a few ways to be able to tell the difference between different diamonds so you can grade the diamond yourself. The first one will be color. The color scale starts at D, ends at Z. There's no A, B, C, or D. It all starts at D, so that's the best possible color you can have. And it's broken up into groups. The first group is called colorless. That colorless category is broken up into 3 grades, the D, the E, or F. D being the absolute most colorless, F a little bit yellower, and E right in between. The next category is called near colorless, which is GHINJ. Rarity equals value. And a DEF color, that's a freak of nature because most diamonds are coming out like right in the middle of the scale. And then XYZs, the really yellow diamonds, that starts to become really rare again, and they have a little bit more value, especially because they look very close to fancy colored diamonds, which are not even on this chart. Those are off the chart. So don't think that just because a diamond is yellow, it's worthless or has low value compared to a colorless diamond, because sometimes the fancy colored diamonds are even more valuable. There's also, by the way, other colors, blue, pink, green, and red even, black diamonds. There's many different colors that are available. A gemologist will look inside the diamond and tell you how pure it is. Inclusions could be, most commonly probably, a smaller diamond crystal trapped within this larger one, or a feather, which is a nice way to say fracture in the diamond, or a combination of a whole bunch of things inside, feathers, needles, clouds, indented naturals. All those are types of identifying characteristics that can change the value of your diamond. Here's the clarity scale. It starts from flawless, goes down to internally flawless, then VVS broken up into 2, VS 1 and 2, SI1, SI2, I1, I2, I3. I1, I2, I3 are diamonds that can show, you would see a visible inclusion to the naked eye. You don't even need a microscope. Everything else above that, you need a microscope to see the inclusion. So SI2 all the way up to flawless looks exactly the same to the naked eye. You can only tell the difference using a microscope. So what does that mean? That means that the person that spent a fraction of the cost of a flawless diamond getting a SI1 essentially got a diamond that looks just like a flawless diamond up until you use a microscope, but saved a whole bunch of money. Anyway, the cut grade on the GIA certificate or most certificates is only for round diamonds. Only a round diamond gets a cut grade. Any other shape, this entire section is totally skipped. Mainly because you have to be your own judge. No one can tell you what sparkles better than the other. Different combinations of depth and table. This is the table facet and this is the overall depth. Different combinations of depth and table percentages will get you different types of looks. In one case you'll get more flashes of white light coming out of your diamond. In another case you'll get more colors of the rainbow coming out of the diamond. And who's to tell you what looks good to you? Right? Right now the GIA took a stance where they gave a particular blueprint to the diamond cutters and say, you follow this blueprint, you will get an excellent cut grade. So that's what people are cutting the diamond to, according to what the GIA chose. But it wasn't always like that, for the simple reason that it's impossible to say that one diamond is more beautiful than the other, because there are different variations of cutting that will get you different types of balances between flashes of white light and the colors of the rainbow coming out of the diamond. Anyway, if you are looking at a round diamond, excellent is the best possible cut grade you could get. Very good is just like what it is, very good. There's good, there's fair and poor. You almost never see fair and poor cuts because if anyone has a diamond that's cut fair or poor, it's not a diamond that you're going to get certified, because that just makes the diamond look even less marketable. No one wants to buy a diamond that says fair or poor unless it's dirt cheap.
What I'm about with you guys today is girdle thickness. And the reason I really want to specify about girdle thickness is because a diamond can hold a lot of weight within its girdle. Sometimes a 1 carat diamond that has a very thick girdle is actually a kind of a different diamond than the same carat weight diamond that has a medium girdle. And the reason why...
What's going on here? I like this. What's up, Sammy?
We're talking about girdle thickness. And the reason why is because the girdle...
Wait, hold on. What's up? What's going on here?
I'm doing a podcast.
You can listen, as long as the checks keep coming this way, you can keep doing what you're doing. Go ahead, man. I'm very proud of you. I taught you everything you know. I didn't teach you everything I know. Not yet. Okay?
Okay.
Seriously, I'll take over. Thanks.
But I haven't explained yet about how the weight...
Can you go get us some cappuccinos while you're at it? Yeah, go ahead. All right.
Do you really want me to get cappuccinos?
You can go. Nah, I'm kidding though, Sammy. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Sam, if I'm not available, Sammy's here, but make sure the checks come my way.
And a little bit to me.
No, Sam, I want you to do this. I want you to do this.
We're gonna be big TV stars.
Listen, we're here to change the world, Sammy. We're not here to be TV stars. We're here to make diamond buying more pleasurable and easier. We're here to get women bigger and better diamonds than ever before. Okay? It's part of the Mike Nekta revolution. Do this with me. Mike Nekta. Do it. Mike Nekta. There you go.